If you are preparing for the PMI-CP exam, chances are you already have strong construction experience. Yet many experienced professionals fail or feel uncertain walking into the exam. Not because they lack knowledge, but because the exam is not testing knowledge alone. It is testing how you think, how you decide, and how you act under governance, contracts, and real construction constraints. This course is built to close that gap. The PMI-CP exam is not asking what you would do on site instinctively. It is asking what the most appropriate action is when authority is limited, contracts apply, risks are shared, and formal processes matter. Most wrong answers sound practical. The correct answer follows governance, contracts, and professional judgment. This course trains you to recognize that difference quickly and confidently. Real-world experience can sometimes work against you in the PMI-CP exam. In practice, you may solve problems quickly to keep the project moving. In the exam, that same action may be wrong if it bypasses authority, contracts, or escalation paths. This course helps you recalibrate your thinking from what works on site to what the exam expects from a construction professional. This course does not just explain topics, it changes how you read questions. You will learn how to identify what the question is really testing, how to eliminate distractor options, and how to select the most appropriate action based on project phase, authority, and governance. This approach improves speed, accuracy, and confidence under exam pressure. You will learn how the PMI-CP exam tests construction communication, not as soft skills, but as governance tools. We focus on how communication failures occur between clients, consultants, contractors, and suppliers, and how structured escalation and authority influence the correct response. This is one of the most underestimated areas in the exam. A large portion of the PMI-CP exam revolves around scope control, contracts, risk allocation, and interfaces. This course breaks down how scope changes become claims, how contracts drive risk ownership, and how interface failures between disciplines create delays and disputes. You will learn how these topics are connected and how the exam expects you to manage them as a system, not as isolated issues. Governance and professional judgment are the hidden thread running through the entire PMI-CP exam. Many questions across different domains are testing the same thing. Do you recognize authority, follow formal processes, and act ethically under pressure? This course trains you to spot governance signals instantly and respond correctly. By the end of this course, you will not just know the content. You will have a clear strategy for reading questions, a consistent decision-making framework, and the confidence to choose the best answer without second-guessing yourself. If you are serious about passing the PMI-CP exam and understanding how it truly evaluates construction professionals, this course is designed for you. Let's begin.